they are missing something beautiful, because in my opinion this is the only event related to VR AR in India as of now. So anybody who is interested towards accommodating VR AR, they must come into this conference. As a speaker, my experience has been pretty good. I was into 2 panel discussions and plus a short presentation. So what I felt is this thing, as compared to other speakers, they were pretty much using VR AR into different fields. So not just engineering, but there were people using it for other things. Basically, towards the end of the session, I saw product presentations where people have been using it for gaming, for medical and all those things. Very nice one. My expectation was this thing, that I should be able to find more and more people using VR AR into the field of engineering, because I belong to engineering field, and I am pretty satisfied seeing many people trying to use it for engineering purposes. Of course, there are other people also, but engineering was my core area.